fairy tales and dreamers' dreams like bed sheet sails, and I believe in Peter Pan.
Welcome to Watching the Winklers. Today we're making slime.
Slime.
And guess what? It's kind of different because we're going to use all of these.
Yep, we're using everything we see here.
We're not going to save. We're not going to save.
No, we're not saving nothing. We're using it all, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, did you?
Oh, wait, I think I was supposed to do that. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, maybe not. Oh,
Is that hard to take off?
a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now, are you ready for
Yep.
me to dump it?
Yeah.
This is like jiggly slime. Whoa.
Where's that one? It looks pink in the camera, but it's purple actually. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, it does look pink on the camera, but for us it's purple.
Can I see on the camera?
Look.
Oh my gosh, it does look pink.
Well, when you get really close to it, it kind of looks purple, but from here it looks pink.
And it feels wet and jiggly.
Feels all wet and jiggly.
How is it wet? Oh my gosh, it just ripped a piece.
All right, Miss Shelby, what are you putting in first?
Okay. First, I'm gonna put in this.
Ooh, what's in there?
Oh,
Oh,
confetti. Birthday confetti. Here, you drop some. Yeah, there you go. And little stars. Little stars too. Looks like a birthday party. Look, guys, you see that little stars? Now mix it up. Mix it up into the wobbly slime. I wonder what it smells like. Oh my god. Girl! Oh my gosh, you're making holes in it.
that's okay.
That's a nice slime. And it's wobbly too. Okay. I'm going to stop by as hard as I can. So we got most of the presents in the slime.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard, so now it's fine.
Now
What
it's your
should
turn.
I choose. So we got some wipes just in case. Yeah, me too.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick this.
What's in there?
Let's see what's in the red. Do over the bowl.
Yeah, let's do it over the bowl.
Taste it smells.
There you go. What is it? Ooh,
It's turquoise.
it's sequins.
It's confetti. Oh, guys, look at red sequins. Some are sticking to me.
They do that.
Hey, I'm gonna clean up some of my presents. Okay. I don't even think we can make a bubble in this.
I don't think so.
It's really wobbly. It's been on the ground.
This was a neon slime
Yeah, but
from the Dollar General,
yeah,
and it is really
Look, I'm
jiggly.
gonna cut the slime. Did I cut the slime? I've got it as a present on your hand. It's okay.
Oh, what you got?
Nothing.
Nothing. Let's see. There's.
Nothing.
Oh, is that the one that Abigail just did? You silly.
I did the red. That was
red?
the one with the pokey stars, so Mom took it out.
Oh yeah, the Poke Stars. Yeah, we took that out.
Is this pokey stars?
No, I got rid of the Poke Stars.
You want me to help you, Shelby? No.
Shelby, you see? Yeah, use that little thing in the front.
That's easier to open it with. Can't even open it. You don't have it.
There you go.
It has the same thing.
Yeah, well, these are a dark blue, and yours were turquoise.
I love turquoise. Hey, our granny loves the color turquoise.
Yes, Granny loves the color turquoise.
Abby. Small circles. Look, small circles, guys.
Mm-hmm.
This is one jiggly slime. Stop. That's one jiggly slime. This is gonna be hard to mix up.
Yeah, it's hard to mix up because it's so jiggly.
And easy to
Oh my
rip.
goodness.
And it's easy to rip too.
Yeah.
Would you pussy say? This is getting all over me. And I don't think you can make a bubble with that.
No, I don't think we can.
No. I'm gonna cut these 3 out because we already used them.
Oh, thank you so much, dear.
Thank you, Abby. Mom's holding the camera.
Yes, I am holding the camera.
She's the camera guy.
I'm the camera girl. How about that?
She's the camera. You missed one.
Did you fling it all over you?
That is really wet slime. But it is one. That was kind of fun. A green present. Guys, I got this green present.
Let me see.
I got both of these presents.
Mm-hmm.
I got this present. I already used that one. I'm gonna cut that one out. Ooh.
What you got?
Ta-da!
Oh, it all says happy birthday.
Shall we look? Ta-da! With the mushroom. And it has little stars too. Shelby, could you please cut this one out? Which one? The heart box.
Just put it by the sink with the other ones, babe.
Look, it has a balloon.
Balloons.
And it says party. This is gonna be hard to mix up, guys.
Mm-hmm.
And really hard to stick. It's really easy to stick to your hands. Yeah. Okay, it's Shelby's turn.
No, is it?
Yeah. Hold on. Ow. Sorry.
Ooh, what you got?
I can only use one at a time.
You gonna do silver instead of pink?
Oh my gosh, I just popped right open. Guys, my mom made me have it a little easy.
Yeah, I just took the whole top off. Are you ready?
Use the whole thing.
All right, let's go. Whoa, look at all that silver.
I'm gonna spread it.
Oh,
okay. It's sticky to your hands now.
Oh yeah, it's gonna stick. But go ahead and mix it up.
I want to fill the glitter. Okay, fill it. Ooh. I need to wipe off my hands again. I definitely need to wipe off my hands. This slime is really hard. Guys, watch this. Then stick. Look at my hands.
Oh my Lanza, look at your hands.
You should really wipe your hands after you do that. This is my next item. I'm holding it.
What was that you just did with it?
Like a mirage.
Maraca, not a mirage.
Maraca.
Your hands are very silver, Shelby.
Yeah, I know. And very slimy.
You see the balloon? Hi, Atlas. Would you like to make some slime?
Do you want to bite the slime?
No, we don't want him to bite the slime.
No way. Yeah, but that's how they make slime. Or use a feet.
I was gonna say he could just step in it.
No! Oh my gosh. I already choose slime.
You already pictures?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see it.
There we go. I need to get this out. It just went into the slime. Whoa. Guys, I picked my next look red in the camera, Mom?
It looks kind of orange.
It is orange.
Yep.
Guys, this is my next one, and it does have balloons.
Oh, okay.
But I can't see it because it feels kind of weird. Do you hear the sounds, guys? Oh my gosh, the glitter, Shelby. Why did you put me in?
Oh, like crazy. It's been a while since we made some slime, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guess what, guys? This is our 97th video.
Yes, you've been counting our videos.
We have a lot of videos. Yeah. Maybe we have more than anyone else.
No, you don't think so.
I think so. I think so too. Guys, I got my next one, and it has parties and it does have balloons. I'm gonna.
Okay, dump it in.
Whoa.
It says happy birthday and party.
That's why happy birthday to Shelby.
Actually, I think it just says party.
See, I was correct.
Yes, there are balloons. Balloons.
I'm gonna put the balloons high. Shelby should make a birthday slime.
Well, this was supposed to be the birthday slime for Shelby's birthday, but what happened, Shelby?
Mom had to cancel it.
Because
it's the virus's fault.
it was the virus's fault.
Yeah. Guys,
What are you doing?
putting slime in here
Why?
because. Seriously? So we can save some slime? Yeah. For your own self. Yeah. That's right, Shelby. We should have a can of one of ours. Mom, but do you care about your game of losing? Mommy, I'm gonna bring this over because I want to play with slime. I'm gonna let it this time.
You're what?
Okay, Abigail's turn.
Oh, okay. Abigail's
I'm
turn.
gonna bring this slime because I might want to play with some slime.
While you wait for your turn.
This is what I choose.
Oh, heavens. More sparkles. More glitter. Can you take the whole top off?
Yeah, but just after this. Okay.
You can't even see it.
Well, I can.
Oh, okay.
Guys, watch this when I put the lid on. Mom, let me show you when I put the lid on.
Do you want some help, Abigail?
Hold on.
Do it over the slime, please.
Okay, could you please help me? Ready to pop.
Oh, my Lanza.
There's still a little bit more glitter in there. Spreading it all over the place.
Yeah, now look at your hands though.
I know.
Let me see.
Now. Now, ta-da!
Oh my Lanta.
It's even on the board.
That's okay. This is our slime bowl.
Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to lift up. You just pull
It
pieces.
just pulls apart.
Guys, do you hear the sound?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm done. Oh, you're gonna get them.
And we still have some more sparkles and glitter. You're gonna do the pink one? Do you want me to take top off?
No, I got it. See, I'm twisting it.
Oh, very good.
I got a little gray on myself.
That's okay.
Yeah.
You trying to get the sparkles off of you and put them in the slime?
No, I was trying to get these.
Oh, the sequins on the...
Yeah. Table spreading it. It's falling sequence. And glitter too. We must be strong. Can scrap. Guys, look, it fall apart easily.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm carrying the whole thing.
Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh, it fell.
It's going to fall. It's going to fall. It's going to fall. And it fell. And your hands are messy too. I got party hats.
Whoa.
Now mix it up. I got a tiny bit of one. Look, I see a blue party hat.
Where? Let me see. Uh-huh.
We must be strong, we must be brave.
You're cutting the slime with the party hat.
Yep. And with this too. Guys, do you hear this?
Yup.
Oh guys, me make y'all hear the other sound. I'm gonna get a can of my own too. Gonna get your own cans? Yup. She has a lot more than me. So when I go over there, I'm gonna get me some. And the legs. There you go. Done. I'm gonna get some more.
Oh, you need to put more in your container.
I'm gonna play
I think
with
that's
my-
too much.
No, it's not.
You don't think so? You can't get the lid on, crazy.
But that's enough.
Is that enough?
I think so.
Can you get the lid on?
Nope. So that's a lot. I need all the rest over the side. Typical. Now that is enough. Trying to fit
I think you still have too much, Shelby.
Look how much I put in there.
Take a good chunk out. There you go.
I bet that's enough.
And get it off of the sides, because then it's not going to be able to...
Fit in?
Hi, Reba.
Hi, Reba. Do you like your slime, Reba? I bet she's like, I want to make some slime.
No.
She's like, I want to make some slime too. I bet she's like, is that food that you're making? No. I'm going to put all this back in.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Oh,
All
okay.
for me. Not just... You're going to dump in mine.
What you got?
Pod hats. Hey guys, what's this? Look, it's my party. Are you gonna use the yellow? Yep. And I know what it is. Good. Hello, everybody. Ooh, slime. Don't put this one in that. It's off of my hand.
All those party hats.
Oh. And all of these balloons. Abigail, look how much of these are sprinkled around. I know. Ah, I ripped the balloon, now it popped.
Oh, did you pop a balloon?
Yep. So now like they popped it. I ripped it.
Yeah.
Because there's slime on the back. And it's paper. There you go, paper. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, you ripped your balloon too.
We both ripped our balloon. I'm ripping my whole balloon. I did mine on accident. Hurry up. Mommy, go inside. Okay, I'm gonna let it be Abigail's turn. Abigail,
Okay.
it's your turn. I'm gonna kick this out. This is what I got. Guys, look how much slime I got it.
Ooh.
What are they? What are they?
It's the sequins.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's raining! Sequins! Why don't you say it's raining sequins? I won't close all the way! Hey guys, look.
Was that the slime?
Yes! I made it too. Oh my gosh, guys. I made it
Guys, do
too.
y'all want to play with this? Guys, do you
It
want
was
to
not
feel the
me. I
slime?
made it too.
Do y'all want to feel the slime?
I am.
Mom, you have to feel the slime. Guys, do y'all want to? Yeah.
So can you make it toot again? Since you say it was the slime and not you.
Did you make
Mommy, it was the slime. I just don't know if I can do it again.
Okay, I believe you.
Look. Crunch up. It looks weird.
It does.
Oh, you. Guys, look.
And now it looks gross.
Okay. Guys, watch this.
Okay, it's your turn.
Yay! I definitely know what I'm picking.
Ta-da! Do you want me to help you? Ta-da!
You have sparkles all over your arms, Shelby.
Yeah, I know.
I got sparkles all over me. There we go.
Balloon.
There we go. It's
Red
square.
balloon, yellow balloon.
That's Mrs. Doubtfire.
That noise is Mrs. Doubtfire?
Yep.
Yeah, she's vacuuming Mommy and Daddy's room.
Sometimes when she vacuums our room, she goes under our bed.
You mean in my bed?
Well, it's both of ours.
Well,
I sleep on top of Shelby's because we both have a bunk bed.
Yeah, you have a bunk bed.
guys, look.
Oh, my Lanza.
Cavalier, that can.
Shit.
You want to watch it out again? Reload it. Did y'all saw it again?
Shelby said she twisted it and it came off.
I'm twisting it and it's not coming off.
It's because you're twisting it the wrong way.
Here we go.
Guys, watch this.
Whoa.
Guys, watch this.
Cut this out, please.
Maybe this one do.
Now time to mixy. Look at all this glitter.
Oh my.
Very sparkly.
Very sparkle. Very sparkle. Now it's gonna roll up into a burrito. A burrito. And another burrito. Burrito. Not burrito. Burrito! The burrito's getting squashed.
Yes, it's made out of slime.
Now it's my turn.
Okay. Shelby. Whoa.
Could you cut this out, please, Abigail? Guys, look. Burrito, not burrito. Burrito, not burrito. I'm making a real burrito. No, baby burrito. This is gonna be hard to make this up. You can find space between. I made it just do stars. We can make in space between. Maybe we can live in space between. done. Oh, look closely.
What are we looking at?
When I do this. Do you see it moving?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's Shelby's turn.
Okay, Shelby's turn.
Your slime.
Guys, look, when I smoosh it, it looks gross. It looks purple to us, but it looks pink to y'all.
Well, no, it looks purple when the camera's close to it. You see?
Yeah, it does. Oh my. Yeah. Guys, had y'all ever washed y'all's hands with slime?
I don't think most people wash their hands with slime, Shelby.
Well, I think some people do.
Wee. Bye-bye, slime. Hey guys, watch this. Bye-bye, slime. Let's get out of these. I think something's on my nose. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3! This is Easter grass. Yeah.
I think so.
It's like it says Easter grass on the back.
Does it?
Yep.
No, it sure does.
Oh my gosh, I can hardly see a thing. Oh my god.
Can you mix it in the slime?
I don't know. I have no idea. This slime is crazy. I don't think we can mix it up in slime. Oh my gosh, guys, I got some slime on it.
I see a whole bunch of Easter grass and no slime.
I know. Let me mix it up a little bit. Stay. Grass, stay. Stay.
There you go. Flip it over like that.
Good job. Whoop. And some sticking to me. Guys.
A little bit.
Really crazy. The Easter grass is hard. Look how big this is. Come on, Joey, you got this.
Abigail, get the bag over the table.
Golly. Oh my gosh. It just looks like a full bag of Easter grass.
Well, there's more to put in there.
Oh. There we go.
No, I gotta get all the ingredients.
All the ingredients.
Now dump it in here. There we go. We got most of it. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.